Hello everyone. Today we are going to start an amazing video on multimeter. First of all, we will know what is a multimeter. A multimeter is a versatile instrument to measure voltage, current and resistance. Not only that, in this multimeter you can also measure continuity test, square wave, HFE, that is beta value of NPN and PNP transistor. Today I will show you how to measure the different voltages, current and continuity test. First of all, we will explain continuity test. Whether you see whether this wire is in proper condition or not, that is continuous or not, it can be tested as a continuity test. For that you have to now move this knob in this continuity test, right? And if you touch this wire, the positive probe and the negative probe will get a sound, right? That means it is in okay position. Now we will check whether this wire is in perfect condition or not. You can hear the beep sound. You can see we are hearing, you can hear the beep sound. Here you can see that this is a beep sound, and that means this wire is correct, right? There is continuity in this wire. Not only this, in this here you can also check the diode also. That means in diode you can see that there is one directional unidirectional current. Now we will show you how to check the voltage of any cell. You can see that how we can check the voltage. You see here, in this way you can check the voltage. That is, you have to take the positive probe with the positive terminal of the cell and negative probe with the negative terminal of the cell and get a value that is 0.03 volt, right? And if you change this terminal, you will get a negative potential. You see 0.02 volt. I will change, I will take another cell and we will measure the voltage of this cell. You see, if you take the probe with the positive and negative, and you will see it is 2.90 volt. If you change the probe, you will get a negative potential, and that is the potential is minus 2.90 volt, right? In this way you can check the potential or voltage of any cell, right? We want to check this cell, and you can see that the reading is nearly, it is minus 1.49 volt, and if you change the probe, you will get a plus sign, 1.49 volt, right? In this way you can check any of the cell, that is voltage. In this way, this probe is positive, take positive and you get a positive value, and the voltage is 1.40 volt, right? You can check this cell also, and you can see that it is 1.39 volt. If you change it, you get a negative potential and get a minus sign. You see minus 1.39 volt, right? And this way you can check the voltage, right? And if you add in series, you will get another, you will get the voltages added up. You see, if you want to check this voltage, you will get a voltage of nearly 1.07 volt, right? They are connected in series. Now I will show you how to measure the resistance in this multimeter. You see, these are the four resistances we want to measure. For that you have to take this knob to 200 ohm, right? 200 ohm, and we will check the resistance of these four resistances. You see here, if you want to check this one, you will see the resistance of this is 20.2 ohm, right? If you want to check this resistance, we will get a value of nearly 11.10.8 ohm, right? And we want to check the value of this resistance you will get a value of nearly 19.6 ohm, right? And if we change it, you will also get the same value. You see, you are getting the same value, that is you are getting 19.6 ohm, right? If we want to check the resistance of this one, you will get a value of nearly 28.3 ohm. If we change the terminal, you will also get the same result. You can see that it is also 28.3 ohm, right? In this way you can check the value of resistance, you can change the value of current, value of these voltages, and also you can check current also in this multimeter. Not only I have shown you how to check the continuity, I have shown you that this wire is in perfect condition and it can work easily, right? For that I will show you that this is how much voltage it is. Let us see, it is nearly 8. Let us check this one, and you see the voltage of this cell is, let us check the voltage, and here is equal to 20 volt, and if we check this one is voltage is 2.92 volt, 2.92 volt. Now we will check the current in this section. How to measure current? You have to put it in 200 milliampere, and you have to put this ammeter in series connection to check the current. Now I will take an LED and check whether what is the current through this LED, right? Let us take an LED. Here we are going to take an LED here, and you see we have taken an LED, and we will check the current through this LED, right? How to measure current, I will show you. Suppose we have taken this one, we have taken a cell, right? You put the negative terminal and touch it with the negative terminal of the cell, and you take a LED and put the positive terminal of the LED with the positive terminal of the cell, and negative terminal is free. Now touch the negative terminal of the LED with the positive probe of the, right? Here you see, if we take the positive probe, it will see, you can see here, but it is voltage is very low, that's why we will check. We put this let us see the voltage here, how much voltage it is 0.5. if we change this one, let us check, this is nearly 4.27. If we can check this one, and let us put it, we check the current also through the LED. Here you have to put this multimeter in series connection. You take the cell and put it in the negative, and with the positive terminal of this cell you put the LED, and if you check here it will glow, and you can measure the current also, right? Let us see whether it is glowing or not. We have checked this wire also, that this is in perfect condition, and you will see that it is working or not. You can see here that we are putting this in positive terminal of the cell, right? And if we put it with this positive terminal, right, and we put it with the positive, and you see it is glowing, right? You see it is glowing. That means the wire is in perfect condition, and that's why you have checked that it is continuous, or it is the continuity test. You have checked it. That means this wire is in perfect condition, and you can see that it is glowing, right? And if you want to measure the current through this LED, you can check this with the negative terminal of this cell, and this is positive terminal of this cell, and I put it. Let us see whether it is glowing or not. It is not glowing, but we need some more voltage to measure the current. For that, we will put it in series with both the cell. Now we'll check what is the current through this LED, right? Now see, let us see what is the value of this current. For that, you have to put this current in 200 milliampere, right? Because the current is very less in LED. And let us see what is the value here, right? Let us see what is the value. You can see that it is glowing, and the value is nearly 3 point. It is fluctuating 1.9 milliampere, right? The current through this LED is 1.9 milliampere. In this way, you can find the current also, right? You have seen here that this is the continuity test. We tested this wire, and this is in perfect condition. We have checked how you have to measure the voltage, the resistances. We have checked the current also, and the continuity test also. Not only that, you can also measure the HFE, that is beta section of NPN and PNP transistor. Later on, I will show you how to measure the beta value of NPN and PNP transistors in another video, and you see there is a square wave also, and I will show you in another video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.